Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to view the file path of a file in SharePoint. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on SharePoint, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Viewing the file path of a file in SharePoint can be very important for several reasons, especially when managing and accessing and organizing content within the SharePoint environment. All right. Now, for example, these are the documents that has been shared with you with your company, your client, your team, or your colleagues. Now, the thing is, it gives you the ease of sharing because it provides an exact location that can be shared with others, ensuring everyone can access the file efficiently. Now, for example, you have an option here to open in browser, open in app, and open in immersive reader. All right. You also have an option for preview. Let's do that right now. This one right here. Okay. Just wait for it to load. So basically, this is the preview of the file. Now, again, you have an option to copy the link right here. If you do that, you would be able to get the link of this specific file if you wanted to share that. You have an option here at the upper left corner to download this file to your device, to copy file to another folder. Of course, favorite this file, or delete this file if you are the owner, obviously. View embed code if you want. All right, this one right here, if you wanted. If you're more technical and you need more assistance on that, click on that. There's an ellipsis more option. You can get the info and the version history. Now let me skip for that for now and open this exact document or file. Now the thing is, how would you be able to, of course, determine the file path of this specific file? All I'm gonna do is hover down here. You see the section right here. Click on the drop down menu, and voila, this is the exact location. All right. And these guides, shared documents. You can also move this to a certain directory if you want it. All right. And of course, you can. Of course, it's up to you. Where do you want to move it? You can cancel anytime. And remember that viewing the file path of a file in a SharePoint is essential for efficient navigation, organization, and it enhances user experience, facilitates effective management practices, and supports seamless operations across SharePoint sites and libraries. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.